Alright guys, there it is, L357. Alright guys, that was CSX, L357. It came from Marion, Ohio, and it's going to Martel, Ohio. Also guys, in case you haven't heard, last week in Hamilton, Ohio, there was like an old newspaper building that caught on fire last Wednesday. People say it's arson, but someone started that fire in Hamilton, Ohio and Butler County last Wednesday. So the, like, what you call it? So the line that so what you call it? So all the Norfolk Southern and CSX trains that were going to pass through Hamilton, that CSX and Norfolk Southern line in Hamilton had to be closed down until the fire was out. And the fire was right near the tracks at the Hamilton Rail Park and at the Hamilton Train Watching Park in Hamilton, Ohio on Dane Street, which is right next to Butler Street. And I've been to Hamilton to watch trains before last June. So thank goodness I wasn't in Hamilton last week because of that fire. But I'm not sure when I'll be back train watching down in Hamilton. Anyway, that was CSX, L357. It came from Marion, Ohio, and it's going to Martel, Ohio, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.